if you just open the phone app on iPhone and then tap on calls section, it will show the details of all the calls, and depending upon whether you have a unified layout or classic layout, you will see these tabs here. But if you can't see the voicemails tab on iPhone, then you have to tap on this icon in the top right corner and then go to voicemails, and that will show all the voicemails that you have received on your iPhone. Here you can simply slide left like this and tap on delete icon to delete a voicemail, or you can also tap on individual voicemail and then tap on trash icon to delete the voicemail. But what if you accidentally delete a voicemail and you want to recover a voicemail on iPhone? That's what we are going to learn in today's video. Hey guys, I'm Rahul from Tech Review Pro, and without any further delay, let's learn how to recover deleted voicemails on iPhone. In order to recover deleted voicemail on iPhone, you have to go to voicemail tab first and then scroll all the way down, and there you will find the folder named deleted voicemails, and that folder will contain all the deleted voicemail that you have recently deleted. So tap on that, and then you can tap on the individual voicemail that you want to recover and simply tap on this slash trash icon again, and that will undelete it and recover it. So that is how you recover the deleted voicemail on your iPhone. I hope you found this video helpful. And by the way, if you want to learn how to completely turn off voicemail functionality on your iPhone, make sure you tap here to watch this video. Thanks for watching.